Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a provider that matches needs: SMS, voice, SIP, and integrations. Create an account and verify identity with ID and billing info. Once done, search and reserve the number type you want: local, toll-free, mobile, or international, and confirm cost and monthly fees. Make sure to enable any optional features like CNAM or SMS enablement during purchase. You're now ready to move from acquisition to routing and setup. Next, you configure how calls and messages flow. In the provider portal, set inbound routing. Send calls to your mobile, a PBX, an IVR, or a webhook URL for apps. Then provision a SIP trunk if using an IPPBX. Enter credential, gateway IP, allowed codecs, and port rules. Once done, link SMS webhooks and set voicemail handling plus caller ID rules. Make sure to test a call and an SMS to verify routing works before advancing. You finalize by running thorough tests. Place inbound and outbound calls, check audio quality and latency, and send SMS to confirm delivery receipts. If something fails, isolate whether DNS, SIP credentials, firewall ports, or webhook endpoints are the issue. Secure the number by restricting IPs, rotating credentials regularly, and enabling TLS or SRTP where possible. Once stable, document the configuration and set usage alerts and billing limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.